How can you optimize Matplotlib for large dataset visualization? Imagine trying to draw a picture with thousands of tiny dots all at once. That can slow down your computer and make your plots hard to read. When working with big datasets, you need to find ways to make your visualizations faster and clearer. One way is to reduce the amount of data you plot. Instead of plotting every single point, you can pick a sample or combine data points into groups. For example, if you have 1,000,000 data points, you might only plot a few thousand that representing the overall trend. This process is called data sampling or downsampling. It helps your plot load faster and makes it easier to see the main patterns. Another trick is to summarize your data before plotting. You can calculate averages or medians over intervals, which reduces the complexity. For instance, instead of plotting every hour of data, you can average it over each day. This makes the plot less cluttered and quicker to generate. Using efficient data types also helps. If your dataset uses float 64 data types, switching to float 32 can cut your memory use in half. Saving your data in binary formats like Parquet or hierarchical data format files instead of CSV files speeds up loading times and reduces overhead. Matplotlib has specific settings to improve performance with large datasets. For example, the agg backend supports chunking long lines into smaller pieces. This is controlled by a setting called agg.path.chunksize. Adjusting this value to around 100,000 can speed up rendering. Also, applying the fast style preset in Matplotlib automatically adjusts line simplification and chunking options for better speed. Memory management is key when making multiple plots. After each plot, use commands like pltclf to clear the current figure and pltclose to releases memory. This prevents your program from using too much RAM over time. Choosing the right plot type also matters. Scatter plots or line plots with fewer points work better for large datasets. If you want interactivity, use tools like interactive backends that allow zooming and panning without re-rendering everything. Sometimes, Matplotlib alone isn't enough for very large datasets. Libraries like Dask can process data in parallel, and visualization tools like Plotly or Bokeh offer interactive, faster rendering options. These can be used alongside Matplotlib or as alternatives depending on your needs. In AI development and data science, visualizing big data efficiently helps you understand your models and data faster. Using these optimization techniques makes your visualizations smoother and more responsive, saving you time and effort. Remember, adjusting data size, types, and Matplotlib settings, plus considering other tools, can make a big difference when working with large datasets.